What's up everybody? In the past, I made a video showing how screen protectors sometimes can hide screen scratches. If you want to watch that video, the link will be in the video description. I recently bought a Pixel 2 on eBay and I had a spare screen protector laying around, so I figured let's try this test again. This phone mainly has scratches near the bottom speaker grill and then some more near the top speaker grill. Let's get a closer look at the scratches at the bottom grill. So we've got some wavy marks here. Here's another look from the other side. And then a V-shaped scratch here. In this photo, you can see the V-shaped scratch better. Let's look at the scratches near the top grill. How do you know this is the top grill? Because the camera is at the top. You've got two light scratches here and then two deep ones right here. Let me show you how deep these scratches are. You can hear my nail go in and out of the grooves. That's not good. The screen protector is on and look at that. Those two deep ones near the top are still visible. The scratches at the bottom are nearly gone. The V-shaped scratch is more like a straight line now. Not bad. Here's the before and after for the bottom. And the before and after for the top scratches. So what have we learned? Light scratches can be covered up with a screen protector, but those deep ones where you can hear your nail go in and out of the groove, those will still be visible. So if you have some light scratches that you want to hide for your phone or tablet, get a glass screen protector. Make sure it's a 9H hardness one, and don't get the super expensive ones. The cheap ones are just as good. In a future video, I will see if I can buff out those scratches from the glass. Like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. I'll see you guys in the next one.